morning, it's me Cha and welcome back to the channel. Today it's another vlog and it's a Monday morning here in the Philippines and the kagrupo it's on my back and we're heading to one of the nature tourist destination here in BATAAN. So it's located in DUHAT, but when you go there, it's you can see the Mount Samat. So let's see what it looks like over there, and I'm gonna tour you guys in a few minutes. So we're already in the road and yeah, we're almost there. So andito si Charlie, si Kenneth, si Chloe, si Lynn, si Mechiko at saka si Cherry. So yan. Alright, we're here na guys. This is the road and we just have to stop in a few minutes guys. Ayan oh, look at that. Diba? This is where they stop oh. This is the area there where you can stop for eating. See, this is the one on the top. You can have a picture in there, over there. You can see a lot of people over there. Oh, they put houses na in here, or not a house, it's like a where you can eat. Yeah, this area here.
You want to stop here?
Yeah. Over there, Daddy.
I know, but I'll let you guys out and then I'll pull up, or you're gonna be out in the weeds.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're here na guys.
So I'll let you guys all get
Let's
out.
go out. Mount Samat is there. There you have it. See. Ayan, maraming tao. Cherry. Si Lynn at saka Michiko. Michiko! Michiko! Yay! Yay! Hi, pretty. Taro nga pa rin sa'yo na, Lynn. There you go. Ayan, may kumakain dito guys, mga rider. Ayan yung view. Punta tayo doon guys. O, dito tayo para ma-picture oh. Gusto nyo mag-picture taking? Ayan yung Mount Samat guys oh. Diba? Mount Samat. Si Kenneth. Say hi. Yeah, tong stop kasi mo. There you have it. Good morning. So, ano lang tayo ng fresh air dito guys, no? So, bago lang to siya na uplift. Like, this year lang siya. Ayan, pero pumunta na kami dito before nag-lockdown. At hindi lang ako nag-take ng video. Pero ngayon kasi marami nang pumupunta. So, pero alam ko meron pang place dito yung parang ganyan, no? Ang lakad, no? Naalala mo yung kina Ate Ami, Ate Lilian? Meron pa doon. Ayun guys, oh. Ang ganda, super nice. Super nice! Tararam! Diba, ayan si Cherry, picture taking na tayo, picture taking. Daddy! Where are you? Halika! 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 Bata na mo! Bukat kignawong! Hello, Michiko! Hello! Kami na po.
Kamu na po.
Picture taking.
Paano mo mas? Lagay mo sa bag mo.
Kamu ko nang kuha. Ikaw sa si Chico sa limbe. Ikaw sa si Chico.
Ate, naibay nga to ba? Grabe lang. Wag silingan.
Kami ni Chloe ba tulong ko.
Naibay ba? Wag silingan ang pagbuto.
Asa ba? Baka payag-payag.
Abay, ginawa mo. Ubos ba? Ubos.
Ay, dili kita tulong ko. Nato ta ko duwog ni mo ang sa river no. Una try. Duwog ni mo ang Indot ni ka lipat sa kuan na 2 3.
1, tala nga tatlo ang kuan. Okay guys, we're gonna go inside the car because I can feel the rain shower, and then we're gonna go over there on the other side, and so we can see some of the view over there. Merong mga tindahan. You guys, you wanna buy water? There's a water over there. Daddy, you want water, Daddy?
I don't right now.
So we're gonna be going there, guys. Let's check another view. So see, it's a lot of people selling. No, it's very fast. It's a lot of people selling here. Before, guys, there's nothing in here. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So look at that, diba? Dapat dito nga view, oh, maganda.
O dirito.
Daddy, oh,
Oh,
this
I
one
got-
here, this here. We will stop here in this area. It's nice here, Daddy.
But it just keeps
So
going to the,
we're here at,
right on the other
we're
side.
about to go back, guys. So look at that.
This road is not like this.
Diba? You can see that road over there, that white
Not so
thing.
steep.
That's where we pass. Oh, the dog is overrunning on the road. Is he okay? Yeah, so this is the other
Sa ato ka tumikon.
view from Mount Samat on this road. Nice, diba? Meron tayong ano, guys, rain shower.
But we had 3 hectares over here.
Whoa, very nice. Alright guys, we just stop here and give you this site because we cannot go out because it's still raining a little bit. So that's it. So we're supposed to stop here and have a picture on that area, but it's not really safe for us here to take a picture. So I just gave you a site. That's it. Alright. Alright guys, pauwi na tayo ngayon kasi si Michiko hungry na siya. So we're heading home, but before that we are gonna stop in a few minutes kasi bibili tayo ng saging. Nagawa tayo ng turon for today. So I hope you guys like our tour for today, and please give it a thumbs up and share this video if you like it, and then don't forget to tap the notification bell for more video updates. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. Bye! Bye na kayo! Bye!